Hi, this is Rich and Elsa from Pedalheads, and today we're going to show you a fun game to do around the house.
This game is called Lines and Circles, and all you need is some chalk, your bike, and your helmet.
Let's play! So what we've done is we've drawn some lines and some circles in chalk in the lane here, and we can start off as easy as just riding out to a circle or a line and then back. Or we can ride around the circles, work on some steering, or we can do some things with the lines and say stop, or stand up, or wave, or put your hand on your helmet when you cross the line. And then at the end, we have a happy smiley face, which marks our turnaround, and we go all the way back. Let's go. Elsa is going to show us how she rides out to the line, turns around, and goes back. Nice job. Now she's going to come all the way out to the red line. Nice steering. This time Elsa's going to ride out to the lines, stop, and then turn around and go back. First yellow. And now red. Nice pedaling. Way to go, Elsa. Now Elsa's going to go around the circles. Nice steering. Has a tight one. And then a big circle around our smiley face. And all the way back to the beginning. This time Elsa's going to ride the lines. The first line is yellow, so she's going to get flat pedals and stand up. Nice! The next is red, so she stops. Good work. And then out around the happy smiley face. And back to the beginning. Nice job, Elsa. This time Elsa's going to work on her hand signals. So at the yellow line, she's going to do a right hand signal. Red line, left hand signal. And then around the face and left signal. Right signal and stop signal. Nice! This time when Elsa gets to the lines, she's going to put her hand up on her helmet. Nice! Look at her go. Both hands. Then on the way back, she's going to show a hand signal. So right hand. Nice. And left hand. Bravo!
Thanks for joining us, Pedalheads. Remember to stay safe, be creative, and have fun.
Yeah!
See you next time!